Uplifting Your English, Mastering Positive Manner Adverbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're taking a sunny stroll through positive manner adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these words confidently to describe actions in a positive way. So, let's jump in. To begin with, let's understand what positive manner adverbs are. They're words that we use to describe how an action is done, and they convey a positive manner or way of doing something. These words can spice up your sentences and make your conversations more engaging and vibrant. Examples of positive manner adverbs include happily, gracefully, joyfully, and skillfully. Now, let's see how these adverbs can be used in sentences. 1. She danced gracefully at the party. 2. He completed the project efficiently. 3. They played the game enthusiastically. Remember, these adverbs usually come after the verb they are modifying. Let's add more positive manner adverbs to your vocabulary arsenal. 1. Carefully, to do something with caution or attention. 2. Cheerfully, doing something in a happy or lively manner. 3. Inventively, doing something in a creative or imaginative way. 4. Eagerly, doing something with keen interest or desire. 5. Lovingly, doing something with affection or warmth. Try to use these new words in your daily conversations and see how they transform your sentences. To help you get more comfortable with these adverbs, here are a few practice sentences. Try to fill in the blanks with a suitable positive manner adverb. 1. He painted the portrait, blank. 2. She approached her work, blank. 3. The children played in the park, blank. 4. He, blank, accepted the award. 5. They, blank, performed the task. And that's it for today's lesson. Hopefully, you're now more familiar with positive manner adverbs and can use them effectively in your conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to mastering a language is consistency. So, keep practicing and keep shining. See you in the next lesson.